Which patio furniture is actually worth your money? Simple question, but to get the real answers, you need to look a bit closer. Today, I'm breaking down some top spots for patio furniture that will have you enjoying your outdoor space in no time. Product number 1, Flammaker 3-piece set. Let's kick things off with the Flammaker 3 pieces outdoor patio wicker furniture set. Priced at just $89.99, this set caught my attention for its chic design and incredible value. If you want an affordable way to elevate your outdoor space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This set features 2 comfortable chairs with wide, deep seating, perfect for lounging on a sunny day. The sturdy, powder-coated steel frame supports up to 250 pounds per chair, making it a reliable choice. Plus, the weather-resistant PE wicker means it won't fade or deteriorate over time, so you can enjoy it for years. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller patios or balconies, and the removable cushions allow for easy cleaning. With over 13,200 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's a favorite among buyers. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions and maybe have a friend help you, it's manageable. If you're not super handy, just take your time and it will come together. This is perfect for you if you're looking for budget-friendly patio furniture that doesn't skimp on style. Skip this one if you need something larger or more luxurious. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the assembly concern with Flammaker bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with easier setup. Product number 2, Best Choice Products 4-piece set. Next up is the Best Choice Products 4-piece outdoor wicker patio conversation furniture set, retailing at $179.99. I was drawn to its modular design, which makes it a great fit for various outdoor spaces. If you're after versatility, this one's definitely worth a look. What's really cool is the modular setup. You get a double sofa, 2 chairs, and a coffee table, which you can mix and match to fit your space perfectly. The all-weather wicker is hand-woven over a sturdy steel frame, so it can handle whatever Mother Nature throws at it. With removable cushion covers that are machine washable, maintaining a clean look is effortless. It's rated 4.3 stars with nearly 5,000 reviews, showing that people appreciate its quality and comfort. However, some users mention that the cushions could flatten over time. But honestly, if you take care of them and occasionally fluff them up, they should last. If you're someone who loves hosting outdoor gatherings, this set is great for you. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility in your seating arrangements. Skip this one if you prefer a more permanent setup. For the price, you're getting solid quality and a stylish look. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger gatherings. Product number 3, Vongresig 5-piece set. Coming in at $279.99, we have the Vongresig 5-piece patio furniture set. This caught my eye for its spacious design and all-weather durability. If you're looking for a comfortable lounge setup for entertaining or relaxing, this is worth considering. This set features a sectional sofa with plush cushions that are 3 inches thick, providing exceptional comfort for long hours outdoors. The hand-woven resin wicker is not only stylish, but also built to withstand the elements. Plus, the glass top on the coffee table makes cleaning a breeze. With a 4.1-star rating from over 2,100 reviews, it's clear that buyers appreciate its comfort and durability. However, some customers pointed out that the cushions aren't waterproof. Here's the thing though, if you're diligent about bringing them inside during bad weather, you'll prolong their life significantly. Trust me, the comfort this set provides is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you enjoy entertaining friends or family. Skip this one if you're tight on space or prefer something more compact. Given the size and comfort, it's a reasonable investment for outdoor relaxation. Now, if you're looking for something a bit cozier, the next option is a fantastic choice. Product number 4, Tankula 3-piece set. Next, we have the Tankula 3-piece outdoor patio furniture set for $139.99. I love the vibrant red color and how it adds a pop to any outdoor space. If you're after something stylish yet functional, this one is definitely worth your attention. This set is made from high-quality PE rattan and steel, offering fantastic durability and stability. The ergonomic design with soft, breathable cushions ensures a comfort level that makes your outdoor time enjoyable. Plus, the tempered glass tabletop is not only chic but super easy to clean. With a 4.5-star rating and about 953 reviews, this set is quite popular among users. On the downside, some people found the assembly a bit complicated. But honestly, if you follow the instructions closely, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This set is perfect for snuggling up with a book or enjoying an evening drink with a friend. This is perfect for you if you want a chic and compact option. Skip this one if you need a larger seating arrangement. For the quality and style, it feels like a steal. Now if you want something that rocks. Literally, the next pick is a unique take on patio furniture. Product number 5, Shintenchi 3-piece rocking set. Finally, we have the Shintenchi 3-piece outdoor rocking bistro set priced at $109.99. This set caught my eye because who doesn't love a good rocking chair? If you want relaxation mixed with style, this is a great option. The powder-coated steel frame provides excellent strength and stability, while the textiline fabric is breathable, making it perfect for hot days. The rocking feature adds a unique touch, allowing you to unwind in a way that's just not possible with traditional chairs. Rated 4.6 stars with about 938 reviews, it's definitely a hit among buyers. However, some users mentioned that the rocking chairs might not be as sturdy as they'd like. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a laid-back vibe, this set is still an awesome choice. Just be mindful of your weight distribution while rocking. This is perfect for you if you want something fun and easy to move around. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty or for larger gatherings. For its price, it's a charming addition to any outdoor space. So to wrap it all up, we've explored a variety of patio furniture options. From the budget-friendly Flammaker set to the unique Shintenchi rocking chairs, there's something for every taste and need. Each option offers great value, so you can create your perfect outdoor oasis without breaking the bank.